Hello and welcome to my channel. For those who don't know me, I mainly invested in Canadian dividend stocks and share my investment journey and stocks in my portfolio in this channel. So if you are interested in these topics, consider to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification. Today, the stock we are talking about is Northwest Company, a company that pays and keep increasing its dividend every year since 2011. The ticker of this company is NWC.TO. The Northwest Company is a multinational Canadian grocery and retail company which operates stores in Canada's western provinces and northern territories. They also have their stores in Alaska, Hawaii, and several other countries and US territories in Oceania and the Caribbean. So if you recognize any brands shown here, then you are using their businesses. Their business are mainly focused on groceries and conveniences. And as we can see in their report, 91% of their sales are in essential product and services categories, which means NWC's business will not be heavily affected by the pandemic. So first, let's look at Northwest Company's dividend paying history. So in their website, we can first tell that they actually pay a quarterly dividend. So you will get your dividend every quarter. They have been started increase and pay their dividend since 2011. So they are gradually increasing their dividends year over year, and currently they are paying you $0.36 per quarter for one share. And that is $1.38 per year per share. And as of 2020, the dividend has increased at a compound annual growth rate of 4.1% over the past 9 years, as shown in the graph here. So if you still remember the classifications of dividend achiever, dividend aristocrat, and dividend king, currently we can see Northwest Company is a dividend achiever, which is a milestone for them and also a good start. Their currently dividend yield is 3.98%, which is pretty nice, and their current payout ratio is under 50%, which means half of the profit that the company gains will remain in their pocket so that they can use those part of money to further develop their business. This is also a good sign. So this kind of a low payout ratio shows the dividend paid by this company is sustainable and also have a potential to keep increasing. The ex-dividend date is April 15th. So if you want to get dividend paid on April 28th for the first quarter, you need to buy the stock before April the 15th. If you buy the dividend after April 15th, you will not get the dividend at April 28th, but you will get the dividend in the next round when they pay it out. So currently the stock price of NWC is at $36.87 per share. The Northwest Company has a market cap of around 1.8 billion, which is not a small number. Their beta value is 0.5. So this means this stock is less volatile. Usually a beta value higher than 1 means that this stock is more volatile than the market, and a beta value less than 1 means it is relatively less volatile. So currently the P/E ratio is around 13. The P/E ratio is also at a low number, which means it is not overbought. So usually a P/E ratio lower than 20 is a good number. And the 5-year average P/E ratio of this stock is around 18. So the current P/E ratio is still lower than the 5-year average. Next, let's look at the current ratio of this company. So we can calculate the current ratio by using the total current assets divided by the total current liabilities. Usually, a current ratio higher than 1 means this company is in a good financial status. And if this current ratio is higher than 2, that means the financial status of this company is extremely good. So now let's look at how NWC performs. So the total current assets of this company is 396,860, and total current liability is shown here. So it will be divided by 315,135. So the current ratio of Northwest Company is around 1.3. So we can see they are in a pretty good financial status. And if it goes to the cash flow, and goes down all the way to the bottom here, we can see the company's free cash flow has been increasing year over year. And it's always a good sign to know that the company has a lot of free cash at their hand. And if we look at the fair value of this company, we can see the current price is far below the fair value of this company, which means this stock still have a great increase potential. And currently in my portfolio, I hold 6 shares of this stock with a total value of $221.22. My average buying price is $34.55, and these 6 shares takes up around 3% of my entire portfolio. My all-time return for this stock is around 7% up. So what do you think of this stock? Do you like it? Will you add it to your portfolio? Leave a comment to let me know. And if you enjoy my video, please consider to hit the like button and share it to others. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, consider to hit that like button, subscribe my channel, and turn on the notification. And if you have any thoughts or opinions, feel free to leave a comment. If you are thinking about using Wealthsimple Trade, consider to use my referral link. You can get a $10 bonus after you invested more than $100 in Wealthsimple Trade. If you're already using Wealthsimple Trade but haven't got the $10 bonus yet, you can still get it by using my referral code shown on the screen. At the same time, if you want to find some place to store your emergency fund, consider using Wealthsimple Cash or EQ Bank. They offer interest rates higher than the big banks in Canada, and you will also get bonus dollars if you are using my referral links. So thanks again for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next video.